We are Amber and Trey. We are from Blair, Ohio, and we are now known as DIY Designer Duo since we've remodeled our home together.
We own and operate a small art business. We had our best year ever before the pandemic hit, but when the pandemic hit, it brought everything to a halt.
We had looked for a home for ourselves for a while, but after looking for a move-in ready home and nothing seeming to be what we wanted, we actually found a foreclosure that needed a lot of work, and we planned to hire contractors, but like he said, the pandemic hit, we had nothing but time, and we started taking on jobs ourselves.
After the installation,
We'd watch videos online, study them, and after a while, we'd be like, okay, we got this.
One of the things we knew we would do for sure to save money was install the floors ourselves.
We chose to go with vinyl plate. It's waterproof, so we know it would last a long time.
And it really isn't that hard of a process. It's almost like a puzzle. Each one of the pieces, they'll click in together, and you're just gonna kind of hammer everything together one row at a time. One of the things we did was paint our kitchen cabinets. That saved thousands of dollars. We sanded them, primed them, and then we painted them.
One of the biggest things that made a difference was when you add the new handles, it really gives it a new finished look. I didn't think we were going to do a lot of DIY projects in our dining room, but Amber had a different idea and she wanted to build our kitchen table.
It was just lumber and really following instructions, having the right tools. And then it was our first experience with chalk paint as well. And we ended up with a beautiful dining room table. So we saw this sitting on the side of the road. It had a free sign on it. It took 4 of us to load it in the van. It was somebody's old tool chest.
We started scraping and sanding at the handles, but we liked how the finished look was.
So we used a simple sanding block, sanding paper. We took the different layers off. It started to show the original numbers through and all the colors they had painted it, and we really liked how it turned out. I knew I wanted something really different for our bedroom accent wall. And believe it or not, that wall cost us around $20.
The first thing we did was sketch out our idea, and then we planned on taping it out.
And then it was pretty much just removing the tape and replacing it with a board, one at a time, and then painting the entire thing one color. I think the biggest change was probably when we put shiplap across our entire house's ceilings and some of the walls, and it was actually made from sheets of plywood. So there were so many different ways to save money, but then you can spend that money on a good tool so you can do the job.
By doing this on our own, I would say we saved $80,000, maybe even $100,000 overall.
We bought a house to flip. While we've been working on that house, we've already bought 2 more, so that makes 3 houses we are now gonna renovate and sell.
This is our new career now.